and welcome to YouTrip Podcast. We are coming to you live from Sate 2026 Yashobhumi, right here at the center of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. Today, we are in conversation with one of our travel agents to understand what really is shaping the travel industry this year. Let's get started. So, to start us off, could you introduce yourself in one line, your name, your company's name, and the city that you operate from?
Sure. Thank you so much. My name is Vidushi, and my company name is Logout Spells, and I operate from Gurgaon.
All right. So, with everything going digital nowadays, why do you think a client should still choose a travel agent?
See, the digital age, we are entering the digital age, but the thing with AIs and tech is that they don't understand sentiment yet. So they don't understand that, okay, like if you want to travel for example, your soul. So there is one traveling for a destination, then second is traveling for your soul. So even the Logout Spells, what I'm building is based on traveling for soul, based on traveling with experiences. So that AI cannot understand, right?
All right, of
So
course.
yeah, so I think that's why people should go offline.
Okay. So, we will lighten it up a little with a quick rapid fire round
Okay.
where I would ask you to give short answers, honest answers, and in maximum 2 to 3 words. Let's get started. Group tours, are they easy to manage or are they a complete nightmare?
For me, it's easy to manage.
Okay. According to you, what will be the most happening destination in 2026?
Thailand, because Tomorrowland is happening there.
Okay. If you could instantly solve one problem in travel industry, what would that be?
It's a difficult one. I think I would solve the visa problem. You know, like a lot of visas get rejected out of no complete reason. So I would like to solve that.
All right.
Yeah.
What is the most common dialogue you've heard from your clients?
Okay, so I work on a B2B2C model, and usually it's a initial startup, so I talk to the customers, and the most common dialogue is, "Are you also coming on the trip?" Because
Okay.
I make the personal connect with them, and they expect me on the trip as well. Although I don't travel on every trip, but yeah, that's all.
Okay. So if you could go to one destination completely free, where would you go?
Hmm. Belgium.
Okay. Which is that one destination that you could sell forever?
I can sell forever. Oh, Georgia.
Okay. Which destination is selling effortlessly right now?
Bali, Vietnam, Thailand, all these are selling effortlessly.
Okay. Are clients choosing experiences over luxury?
Yes, definitely. Like there is a set of people who are only focusing on luxury right now, but I think the experience market is growing, and I am also in there. So yeah, have a
All
bias
right.
towards that.
All right.
Yes,
So that was our rapid fire round. We will now quickly come back to the business side of things.
great.
What all destinations do you majorly deal in?
I deal in international May. I deal in Vietnam, Bali, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Georgia, Egypt, and in India I deal with Jaipur, Pondicherry, and Rishikesh. You know all the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand.
Why do your clients keep coming back to you for repeated bookings?
Because the experience that they get in Logout Spells is something which they haven't experienced before.
Okay.
Because you go into a spell, like the whole idea of Logout Spell is that you go into a magical world. So they want to experience it again and again. It's like a drug. So
Okay. So, what is the most unique client request that you've received so far?
okay, so there was it's kind of funny. So there was this client who was coming with his wife, and we had everything planned for them and everything, but they were like, okay, I'll just be in my room for 2 days. I don't want any interruptions. I don't want any calls. So like that was kind of funny for us and like a little weird for us, but yeah.
Okay. So, what is the most underrated struggle in a travel agent's life?
Uh, I think something that people don't talk about enough is so like you make connections with people, like they're traveling, so they become like your family. And then like once that trip is over, so then they like become complete strangers. I think that is kind of like something which people don't talk about enough. Like I think there should be like a system or a process where that person is still connected with you throughout. So
Okay.
yeah.
So, we'll talk about industry realities now.
Okay.
What is the one thing that you think online portals can never replace?
The emotional connection that you build with people who travel, that online portals can never replace.
Okay. What matters more today? Is it the price or trust?
Trust.
Okay. What is the biggest change you've seen in today's Indian traveler?
Okay, so I think Indian travelers now travel for purpose, not just for destination. So earlier, people used to travel for destinations because they didn't know, what all exists there. But now, the AI is there, Google, everything is there pretty much. Okay, like they can just watch a blog. So I think people, more than the destination, they are traveling for a purpose there, like spirituality or yoga or art. So they are exploring these niches more.
Okay. So, looking ahead, where do you see your travel business 5 years from now?
Hmm. So I want to replace the word trips in common lingo. So normally people say, "Oh, I'm going on a trip." So I see my business growing to that extent that people replace the word trips with, "Okay, I'm going on a spell." So yeah, so I want to make longer spells that big.
That sounds nice.
Yeah,
So, if someone is starting off as a travel agent today,
yeah.
what should their first focus be?
I mean, I am starting off as a travel agent myself. Uh, so, my the first focus that something that I am focusing on is planning. Okay, because I'm an AI engineer as well. So, like, the biggest lesson that I have learned. Even when we are training an AI, we plan first, we give it a data. So if you just go ahead with like not doing anything, that won't work. So you need to plan ahead. Need to plan the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and I think that's the key to any business, not just travel. But yeah,
All right. So, in just one word, why should someone book with your company?
magic. One
Okay.
word.
If you could speak to your younger self on day one of your travel journey, what would you tell her?
I would say don't be scared, because I was very scared. I was thinking that, okay, like this person is trusting me so much and going to a totally strange land where they know nobody, and they're going with a bunch of strangers. And like I was thinking, what if something go wrong, and what if this person is trusting me so much, what if they get their heart broken or something like that. But gradually, being in this business for like 1 or 2 years, I understood this, that they're going to that destination because of you, because they trust you. So yeah, this is the advice that I'll give to my younger self, that don't be scared. Tu kar legi. You're doing great. Just keep doing. Yeah.
All right. So there's one more thing I wanted to know.
Yeah, yeah.
Women or girls, they did not travel as much earlier. What has changed now? Because I see a lot of women, a lot of girls taking trips.
Yes, that's actually something which is, like crazy, that's happening right now in the Indian market, especially because I've been working on group travel for like last 1 year, and I've seen like more, almost on every group trip of ours, there is more girls that are traveling, and even our customer base is like 60% women and then 40% men. So like women are traveling like crazy now. They're going out there exploring themselves, and I think this is a great opportunity for even female DMCs and female travel agents to get into the space, because travel industry is booming, experience industry is booming, and women are going, and at heights. So definitely, like women should, travel more and also start providing travel more. So yeah,
All right. So thank you for joining us today
thank you
here
so
at
much.
Sate 2026. And I hope that the viewers who are watching this, especially those from the travel industry, will gain something valuable and insightful from this conversation.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.